What is good, y'all? It is Matt. My friend is currently stranded at work. We're on our way to go pick him up. He's got a fuel pump at home. He was hoping it would last him long enough. It unfortunately did not. They were going to replace it today, and their car obviously died on the last startup they needed. So we're going to be a good friend, go help him out. We have our tools and other stuff in the bag. Hopefully we brought enough stuff, and hopefully we brought the right stuff to help out, but I'm sure he has everything he needs at home. Perhaps I give a little sandy here. Perhaps. Alright, we are in a parking ramp looking for my buddy. This boy working out in the busiest area of Dallas, first and foremost. Oh boy, that is a speed bump. Oh, there he is. It's him. I said, what up, Strandon?
My Lord and Savior.
What up? How's it going? I actually did bring tools, so we might have enough.
Dude, I have like 5 other codes now.
Oh, 5 codes?
Yeah.
Oh boy, we can talk about them in a second. 2 O2 codes and a fuel pump. This is all familiar territory, unfortunately. So this one is right under the back seat, similarly to the 350Z. I actually have a headlamp for you if you want.
Oh, you do?
Yes, I do. Here you are, sir.
All right, the only thing is we just can't lose any screws. I don't have any.
Uh-oh. You're a pro at this now. This is like the second time you've done it in the last week.
It's not a good thing. That's not a good thing at all. Okay, though, do you have pliers?
Yes. I do.
Oh, that opens.
So what happened is Brandon's fuel pump assembly fell apart after recently installing it in his car, and that's why his car is probably not starting, most likely. It's funny because the first time I installed my fuel pump, I thought I did it right, and then the gasket expanded and I had to get a new gasket. But then when I put it in that second time, I didn't put it on facing the right way, so like the hose was kinked or bent, and when I started my car, gas was just like all over the bottom of my car. Horrified me. But
I just shoved my hand in the gas.
ouch.
Oh, side note, remember, well-ventilated areas if you're working on your wheels.
Yeah. Yeah. Brandon's attempting to start his car. Moment of truth. Primed. Crank, no start. Oh my god, bro. This is a nightmare. P1124. P1124.
Your hood's popped right?
Yeah,
Can you, do a test?
sure. This one?
No, you're actually.
Here's what we did though. We swapped some fuses here. Maybe that will help. Wow. Switching.
No, the real test is Because like if you look at it,
Okay, pump priming,
it doesn't do any of it.
sequencing. Yeah.
We should have just.
Oh, we almost had it. Which two did you swap?
15 amps.
15s? Okay.
They're both fine, but one of them is for the actual like code that I had.
Uh-huh.
So maybe.
We're gonna be stuck in a parking lot trying to fix codes. We might as well get some cool-ish shots from here. Our cars look cool, right? Let's check it out. See what we can do. Oh! Whoa! Was that good luck? Do you have enough gas to leave it on and get home?
I mean, it's crazy. It's like
Full.
It's like almost full.
Yeah? Are you just gonna do that?
I guess. I'll just have you follow me.
Yeah. Home? Yeah.
I don't know if my car's gonna stall out or not.
Yeah.
Just let it sit here for a little bit and see what happens.
Yeah, let it idle for like 10-15 minutes.
Yeah.
Alright. We did it! Was it just luck or what'd you do?
I just sat.
A random startup? So there's definitely an issue.
There's something going on, but I don't know what it is.
My first time installing a fuel pump, I also could not get the level to read until my second or third time throwing it in and reinstalling it.
I
So
might have to reinstall it again.
yeah, it looks like a reinstall is probably going to be necessary for Brandon as well, but at least the car started and he can get home. Dude, every single car in this parking lot is a Tesla. Like every single car that's driven past us. Kind of crazy. See what I mean? Every single car is a Tesla. Every single one.
We're gonna rage that my car doesn't stall out on the way home.
He's
I just
on
gotta
his own
pray I
after
don't
that.
stall while driving. If I stall while driving, it's embarrassing.
Yeah, he's got to get home at least once. He's probably going to be cranking it out. But
You know, that just means we're gonna full send it on the highway because it's a 10-minute commute.
race the whole way home.
Yeah, all gas, no brake.
I didn't show any of the install process, but a fuel pump, I promise you, is very easy in a VQ. In a G35 and 350Z, I'm pretty sure it's the exact same process for both. Within the back seat, it's like 8 screws. Do not use power tools. And then you just pull it out, push the new one back in. If you're using old gaskets, they're probably gonna go bad and warp. So buy new gaskets, do it now. You'll thank me later. Anything else about fuel pumps?
Wear eye protection.
Yes. Yes.
The having glasses does not count.
Make sure everything's lined up. The first time I did it, I kinked a hose because it was not lined up. Gas was flooding everywhere on the floor, and I was like freaking out that my car was gonna explode, but line it up too. Oh yeah, first crank. Alright, we got past the first one, another Tesla. Emotional support, at least, if I didn't help with anything, probably, but it helps, I promise. I know I can probably do a lot of things myself, and I am more capable of a lot more wrenching than I think I am, but it always helps to have people around that empower you, at least from my experience. So hopefully I was helpful to Brandon in some way.
But
We made it home.
we did. Surprisingly.
No tow.
The only thing that worked was the speedo and yep, I don't know my RPMs, I don't know my gas levels.
You know your
so-
car though. When my RPM thing broke, I was like, I know my car, but this is so annoying.
I know. And I'm over here like, I don't know how much gas I have. Is my car gonna overheat?
That is the scary one.
Because that gauge also does not work.
That is the scary one. Yeah, well,
So it's something. I don't know what it is, but it's something.
keep me updated. Let
I
me know
will.
when you're in town so that we can replace headlights. Or
I got
we
you.
can swap headlights.
It's all good.
Even though I didn't really help out much mechanically, I hope I was able to help out with the situation. I know I've definitely been in that situation before. Doing it alone is not very fun. His parts were at home. He didn't have a way home. So hopefully I was able to help him somehow. Growing up and seeing my brother and his friends always working in their garage and helping each other out wherever they were, throwing in parts overnight, helping pull engines, you know, doing all that just in our garage. When I finally got into my car and started doing all that stuff, I realized that it's pretty hard to find friends like that are willing to just help you work on your car. Hey, can I come over and help you wrench on this? Hey, can I come help watch and do this? Those friends are actually not as easy to come by. And so I've always wanted to pay it forward as a friend and a car enthusiast and a car enjoyer to learn and help people. So whether or not it helps, I don't know, it helps me definitely and helps me learn, because I think cars are very confusing. A lot of people say they're a lot easier than they are, but they're pretty confusing. Just wanted to talk a little bit about that and reflect on that situation there. But I think I found a really cool group of friends, and I found a really chill group of people that are willing to learn. Definitely, I would say if you have the opportunity to help out your friends and just be a good friend, you know how to do something like an intake, a fuel pump, something simple, whatever, and you know how to do it and your friend doesn't, just help them out, because I think it means a lot more to them, and being around and helping them feels pretty good, honestly. But hopefully I was able to help my friend Brandon in some way, shape, or form. Hopefully I helped him out. Thank you guys again for all the recent support. I appreciate you guys as always. Appreciate you guys for hanging out, and we'll see y'all in the next video.